Ahankara is compared to a thorn in the throat. So it has to be destroyed. For which Vijnanati, Vijnana Asi. Asi is Khadga. So that's sword. What type of sword? Vijnana. This word Vijnana has seen many times. Vijnana means Atma Sakshatkara, Brahma Sakshatkara. Jnana means to know. When it gets the prefix V, Vijna means Sakshatkara, direct knowledge. Direct knowledge in the sense, what is that directness? This also you have seen many times. What is that directness? No in-between medium, no in-between means, no in-between sadhana. Generally, to know something, what is the in-between sadhana? Antakarana vritti. You listen to me through the medium of Shabdakara Antakarana vritti. It is not direct, it is indirect. Through the mediation of Antakarana vritti. Here, it is direct. How come? To begin with, something is required. What is required? Vritti. What vritti? Atmakara vritti, Brahmakara vritti is necessary, which removes the ignorance. And when you get the steadiness, nishtha, in this Akhandakara vritti, Atmakara vritti, Brahmakara vritti, conforming to actual nature of Atma, free from all the adhyasa. So when that nishtha is there, even that vritti drops off, then what? Direct cognition. What they say now? Direct face to face. But it is a defective statement. Face to face, two faces. Two faces are there. Here there is no two faces, etc. Then how? Without that medium, how is it? Anubhava Swarupa, Nyapti Swarupa. All that was necessary is to remove the ajnana. To remove the ajnana. So that's the Vijnanasana, having the thing. Then afterwards, Sputam Bhumshva. That is very clearly enjoy. What enjoy? Atma Samrajya Sukham. Atma Sukham, which is compared to Samrajya, empire. Empire in the sense, no anya adhina, not dependent on anything else. Even an empire, you depend on many things. Subject must be there. Prosperity must be there, good administrator, minister must be there, good commander-in-chief must be there. You depend on many things. Here no, independent of everything, that and that alone, yatheshtam, to your heart's content, but that heart itself is not there after. Heart itself is not there at all, so that is there. Now question comes, afterwards what? Afterwards what? Question, because still that Samrajya abhi tak mila nahi. If that Yateshta Samrajya Sukha was enjoyed, afterwards what? Question would not have been there. But for a mumukshu, question comes, afterwards what? Author, out of compassion, gives answers to that also. What is to be done afterwards? Once the ahankara, it's like a thorn, is destroyed by Vijnana Mahapati. This 307 we already seen, continuing.
Satohamadir vinivartya vrittim Santyaktarava paramathalabha Kamatvatma sukhanubhutya Purnatmana brahmani nirvikalpaha Anvaya Tataha aham adehe vrittim Vinivartya Paramarthalabhat Santyaktaragaha Atma Sukhanubhutya Nirvikalpaha Brahmani Purnatmana Sushnim Samatva. Again, Tataha Ahamadehe Vrittim Vinivartya Paramarthalabhat अत्यक्तरागः आत्मसुखानुभूत्या निर्विकल्पः ब्रह्मणि पूर्णात्मना तूष्णीं समात्व.
What is to be done afterwards? Only this much. What is that? Tataha tushnim samasva. Thereafterward, tushnim samasva. Remain quiet, repose yourself in Atma, don't do anything else. Don't start some other undertaking. Tushnim samasva. Remain absorbed in the Swarupa. आत्मज्ञान हो गया, टाइम इतना है, प्रारब्ध अभी तक नहीं गया है, कुछ ना कुछ करते. नो, नॉट दैट. देन व्हाट विल हैपन? रिलैप्स. वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ जीवन मुक्ति. रिलैप्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ एब्सेंस ऑफ जीवन मुक्ति. बट इफ अपरोक्ष ज्ञान इज गेन, विदेय मुक्ति cannot be stopped at all. But until the prarabdha gets over, drishta sukha, drishta dukkha are going to harass. Now here the context is of jivan mukti, where the drishta sukha, drishta dukkha are not, that is oppressing the person. To that extent, nishtha for abidance of the mind in the Swarupa must be there. So that I say, Tataha, thereafterward, tushnim samasva. Remain absorbed in Atma Swarupa. What should be done? What precautions have to be done? Because earlier habit is, what is the earlier habit? Like that monkey, कुछ ना कुछ करते बैठने का. So like that, what is the earlier habit? Vishya vimukhatva. Running after the sense object. Again, even though physically not going after sense object, mentally thinking of the sense object, that you desist from. Say, tataha ahamadehe vrittim vinivartya. From ahamadehe, from aham, etc. It's fifth case. From aham, etc. What is that aham? Ahankara. Adi for mamakara. From the thing, I-ness in the body, mindness about the objects and beings in the world. Vrittim vinivritya. Having withdrawn the vritti. Vritti refers to antakarana vritti, which refers to manaha. Vritti vinivritya means having withdrawn the thoughts. Thought means what? Because of the mind. So therefore, vritti stands here for manaha. Having withdrawn the mind from I-ness in the embodiment and mindness in the things belonging to oneself. Vinivartya. How vinivritya? That also should be known. Then what? You say, I am not the body, these things do not belong to me. I am not the body, these things belong to me. दूसरा जप हो जाएगा. Not that way. Paramartha labha. Gaining the paramartha. What is paramartha? Atma, Brahma. By direct cognition of which was told earlier as vijnana. So paramartha labha. By gaining the direct cognition of and santyakta raga. Having given up all raga, hankering for sense objects. Giving up, hankering for sense objects means being vishaya vimukha. Presently, what is that? Vishayabhimukha. Vishayabhimukha. Our all pursuits are directed towards the Vishayas, sense object, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. If doubt, find out how many movies, songs are stored in small pen drive or what is that? what they call? Players, etc. Huh? I don't know all these things. iPod or iPod, I don't know. Whether inkpot, I know. Inkpot, I know, but iPod or iPod, I don't know. You know better, okay, that is better. All stored, right? कभी तो कभी जाएगा, देखे सुनने को मिलेगा. Hit song. You have stored because it is a hit song, and it has already got hit by many other songs. It is no more the hit. That's why somebody said, hit songs are always meant to get hit. Because every day new songs come and old songs go obsolete. Anyway, so that was no. Santekta raga, actually, here raga or vishayabhilasa need not to be given, already it drops off. It drops off. Why vishayabhimukhatva? Because some joy. See, look here. Every human being, every living being is utilitarian. What I will get in return, is it not? Why everyone runs after Vishaya, sense object? Some Ananda is there. Now, he has directly discovered the very source of Ananda, Atma Sukha. Where is the Vishaya Sukha? After a sumptuous dinner for a marriage party, at home you didn't tell. You forgot to tell. And you forgot to take the mobile also as well. So, and you came late and the daily dal roti was kept. Dal roti was kept there, and it is any attraction. Why? You are full. Only difference is this is for 4 or 5 hours only. Afterwards again. Now this is not that way. This is Parama, ever contentment, because Paramananda Swarupa, independent of everything. So because Paramatha Labha, Santekta Raga, that is Vishaya Vimukha, that is one who has withdrawn oneself from sense objects. See, always Vishaya Vimukhatva is because of Ajnana and inadequacy. Vishaya Vimukhatva because direct knowledge, direct experience of Paramananda Swarupa Atma. There is no effort required. Earlier effort required. Why required? Viveka, Vairagya is necessary. Here it is natural, spontaneous, but little you have to be on your guard. Why you have to be on your guard? Earlier habits are still there. Earlier habits are still there. That's why I say Vinivarsya, the word has been used, having withdrawn, Santekta Ragaha, Vishayamukhasan. Then what you do? Nirvikalpaha, mind absorbed in the Swarupa, free from Vikalpa, free from Veda, free from duality. Nirvikalpaha. Why Nirvikalpaha? Brahmani Purnatmana. It is, mind is abiding where? Purna Atma Swarupa Brahma. Purna means not Jiva, not a limited entity, not a Parichinna, but Aparichinna, Atma Swarupa. Then what? Tushni Samasva. In that Purnatma Brahma Swarupa, repose, abide, quietly means get absorbed in Atma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa. What is to be done? Don't give any room to Ahankara and mindness to crop up again. And because of direct knowledge of oneself, to Vishaya Vimukha, get absorbed in the Swarupa. There is nothing more to be done. The question comes, you know from where this started? Ahankara to be destroyed, Ahankara to be destroyed, Ahankara to be destroyed. Started from where? That it is 13 stanza, 97, 98. It started from 98, 13 stanza, that Sarva Anartha Hetu, the cause, the means of all samsara sorrow is ahankara, which deprives us the ananda swarupa. So 30, the question is, why it is repeatedly said, ahankara should be destroyed, ahankara should be destroyed, ahankara should be destroyed. You know why? If total destruction of ahankara is not there, it will again crop up. Like that they say, some poisoning has taken place. Even the last trace of poison should be out from the body. Otherwise, it will have its effect. Or have you seen cutting the tree? Huge tree you have cut, and you think it is gone. Wait for one monsoon. Again it will. Again you cut. Again you. What should be done? Uproot it. Remove the very roots. So therefore, mere removal of ahankara itself is not the thing. It should be by through the roots only. That is why. What is the reason why that it is repeatedly emphasized that ahankara should be destroyed? The reason is being given.
समूलकृतोऽपि महानहं पुनः व्युल्लेखितस्य यदि चेतसा क्षणम् सञ्जीव्य विक्षेपशतं करोति न भस्वता प्रावृषिवारितो यथा अन्वय महान अहम समूलकृतः अपि यदि चेतसा क्षणं व्युल्लेखितः स्यात् तर्हि पुनः सञ्जीव्य विक्षेपशतं करोति यथा नभस्वता प्रावृषि वारिदः.
Or you take this way, yatha varidah pravrishi nabhasvata. Take that anvaya, final one. Yatha varidah pravrishi nabhasvata. Once again.
Again, mahan aham samulakrutah api yadi चेतसा क्षणं व्युल्लेखितः स्यात् तर्हि सञ्जीव्य विक्षेपशतं करोति यथा वारिदः प्रावृषि नभस्वता.
This ahankara, you know him? Mahan. Very great. Then you want to be great now? Keep great ahankara. Everyone wants to be great now. Is there anyone who doesn't want to be great? So then keep ahankara. Why ahankara is called Mahan? Very powerful. Very powerful. And do you know since when the ahankara is there? What is the birth date of ahankara? Anadi. He is Anadi, beginningless. Anadi from Anadi, and he has ramified in terms of many things as well. So therefore, very, very powerful, not easily available for destruction unless Ajnana is totally destroyed. महान अहम, अहम यदि अहंकार, समूलकृता अपि, even though uprooted, even though destroyed with its root ajnana, then if root is destroyed, cause is destroyed, how it can continue? Habits. Because of habitual error, it continues to be there, and if you are not careful, again it torments. Like, I think an illustration is going to come, like Shaivala Patala. In a lake or a pond, especially pond, where water is stagnant, there is a layer of moss. Sometimes it is so thick, you find as if it is a lawn. Cows get deceived. They just go and fall in the pond. Now you take a stick and brush aside the moss. Very crystal clear water is seen. How long? Until you hold the stick. Remove the stick, again it gets covered. That is, here, by habit, even if destroyed, it can revive. So what is necessary? Total nishtha. That is why Jivan Mukti, three things are attached. Mere Tattva Jnana not sufficient, Manonasha, Vasnakshaya for Jivan Mukti. Whereas for Videya Mukti, only Tattva Jnana, Vasnakshaya and Manonasha are secondary. Whereas Jivan Mukti, Vasnakshaya, Manonasha are primary. Because here, that freedom from klesha, chitta klesha is here. A person who has got Tattva Jnana will get subjected to chitta klesha, but once the prarabdha is over, no rebirth. But in case of Jivan Mukti, no rebirth of course, but up to the prarabdha gets over, free from chitta klesha. That is our immediate problem. Our immediate problem is what? Chitta klesha. Chitta klesha. See, mere scholasticity and Shastra Adhyayana by itself doesn't guarantee this. Tattva Jnana must be there, Manonasha must be there, Vasnakshaya. That's why Jivan Mukti Viveka should be understood properly. So, Mahanaham Samulakrutahapi means by Viveka Vijnana, uprooted along with its root cause Ajnana. Says, what does it do? Yadi in case Chetasa Kshanam Villekitam. If by mind, Chetasa, Kshanam, just for a moment, Villekitam. Villekitam means either objectified or revived. Actually it is Villekitam means objectified. By habit, even for a trice, for a moment, you take the body as I, because habits are there. So that's even taken for a moment, Villekitam. If Villekitam, so what happens? Shat, if it is so, Tarhi, in that case, do you know what happens? Punaha Sanjivya. Having got revived again, you need not go to Shukracharya to know Sanjivani mantra. You know that? Brihaspati's son, Kacha, was sent to Shukracharya to get the Sanjivani mantra. You know the big story it is. The big story. Demons came to, and of course Shukracharya was on the guard. But problem came because of the daughter. Shukracharya's daughter fell in love with Kacha. She wanted to marry. Not nowadays. Olden days. Dharma Shastra is very rigidly followed. He said, Kacha said, look, you are my Guru's daughter. You are like sister. It is not, yes, Guru's wife is like mother, Guru is like father, Guru's children are like brothers and sisters. But Devayani, not Devayani only, the other was Sarvishkar. Devayani was not ready. She tried all. She implored father to give Sanjivani mantra. That is that. So what happened was, the demons are always on the guard because they came to know what is the purpose of this. Shukracharya gave demons killed. Before this, he killed, etc. And did not, I think before. He was killed. But he was killed, somebody has to revive. He can't revive himself as such. So that's why. Devayani pleaded with father, he revived. Like this it happened. Then what they did? They killed him, burnt him. Shukracharya was in the habit of drinking liquor. And what they did was, they mixed the ashes with the liquor without his knowledge. Shukracharya drank. Now, catch 22. See what? If he revives, Kacha has to come out, splitting the stomach of Shukracharya. If he doesn't revive, he can't face Devayani. Then he said, he revived and taught Sanjivani to Kacha. He has to come out splitting the stomach so that he can revive again who? Shukracharya. That is what it is. So that is Sanjivani. A mantra by which a dead person can be revived. So like this, here, this ahankara gets revived by what? Even once you objectify, take the body as I, it gets revived, Sanjivya. Then, poor fellow, let him be. No. What does he do? Vikshepa shatam karot. Create thousands of vikshepa. All that means what? Agitation in the mind because of Vishaya Chintana. How an illustration is given. Yatha, just as Varidaha. Varidaha is cloud. Pravrishi in the rainy season. Just around 1 o'clock, do you know what happened? All crackers were bursting. All crackers were bursting. And about, at least Andheri area, I don't know, it may be earlier or the other area. For about 20-25 minutes, it was pouring. So who did it? Nabhaswan. Who is Nabhaswan? Wind. Wind brought all of them together. What they call a cloud outburst. Dangerous. Within no time it can flood the thing. It happened, Anaikatti, where Coimbatore ashram is there. So it is near about 80 kilometers to the Kerala border. It is a route for all smuggling deals. All smugglers, this thing is there. Because there much police, etc. are not there. And border they can bribe the police. So what happened? So in that, there was one, that means a low area was there. And there was cloud outburst and the water was gushing. one taxi, the smugglers only, with all the goods. You know what happened? They came. They took the water lightly. And that's what they thought was. And the water is gushing from the mountain area. And that's what is the reason. They entered just with zoom. Taxi got water. Taxi got water. And 2-3 persons were there. Night time, not daytime. Night time. 2 persons died. Other 2 persons survived. Abhi musibat hai. They have to escape from police. So next day they somehow did something, etc. By that time the water has got receded, but it is very dangerous. Loud outburst, etc. Suddenly what happened? The flood comes. So whose handiwork it is? No doubt. Who gives the rain? Cloud. But brought by whom? Wind. So also here wind is only once you thought of ahankara. And then cloud of ahankara does it mischief. So that's why I say nabhasvata iti. Nabhasvat means literally vaporous. Vapor, water vapor, etc. Is a gaseous condition. Vaporous or cloudy. That is its adjective, nabhasvat. If nabhasvan masculine is taken, it means wind. Here it is wind. By the wind, how the clouds pour the rain. Likewise, this ahankara pours what? All vikshepa. So therefore what is the way? Be on your guard. That is why the repeated nididhyasana is necessary. That ahankara should be destroyed. These 13 stanzas are now being concluded.
Nigruyya shatruramamovakachaha Vachinna deyo vishayanuchintaya Saeva sanjivana heturasya Prakshina jambira tarorivambu Advaya Shatroho ahamaha nigruyya vishayanuchintaya deyaha विषयानुचिन्तया चिन्तया क्वचित् अवकाशः न देयः सः एव अस्य सञ्जीवनहेतुः प्रक्षीणजम्बीरतरोः अम्बु इव Again, shatroho ahamaha nigruyya vishayanuchintaya kvachit avakashaha na deyaha saha eva asya sanjivana hetuhu prakshina jambira taroho ambu iva.
There is a nexus between ahankara and vishayanuchinta. But one thing, we are talking about a mumukshu who has developed viveka vairagya and wants to gain jnana and moksha. In that context, we are talking of what? Total elimination of Vishayanu-Chinta. If a person doesn't have Viveka Vairagya, Vedas have got Karmakanda portion. Like your super shopping center, supermarket. Go there and find out what you want. And you say, don't bother about the small things here, aspire for heaven, etc. And for every goal, there is a need. See, as far as Karmakanda is concerned, it never speaks of Vairagya. धंधा चले जाएगा. That is the market of Karmakanda. That is there. It is not that way. So that is that. But if there is a mature person who has seen, in spite of this heaven, Punarapi Jananam, Punarapi Maranam, samsara is inevitable. I want to get totally free from this and gain Paramananda, independent of everything. To him, Shruti comes and tells, well promoted. Well, to Jnana, why I am telling is, otherwise, this is coming all from psychology. To ask to control that is natural to the divinity is not good. It is non-thinking. Who told you that? Vedanta is not meant for such persons. Go to hell, Karmakanda. Veda will encourage you, but with one condition. Live the life of dharma. Take to the means of fulfilling your desires up to Brahmaloka. Why up to Brahmaloka? Up to the post of Hiranyagarbha. Veda will give you the means. Anywhere available such means? Is it Veda non-thinking? But Veda caters to the individual. If there is a person who is not interested in even the Hiranyagarbha post, and he says, because what? Why I want to get stuck up there? Like Yamaraja got stuck up, you know that? Yamaraja gives compliments to Nachiketa. My boy, at your age, I didn't have the Vairagya you had. That's why I got stuck up with this clearing post. Now he is Jnani, but yet what happened? Until the Prarabdha is over, he has got stuck up with that post. Now if there is a person who is mature, who has no interest in even the Hiranyagarbha post, to him higher goal is to be pointed out by who? Vedas. That is Jnana-kanda. Where is non-thinking? Where is asking things? Otherwise, if you let loose, parantikhani vatrina swayam bhuhu tasma param pashyati nantaram. The design of embodiment is extraordinary, because that is what you ordered. But kaschit dhiraha avritta chakshu atmanam aikshati. Some dhiraha, some viveki, avritta chakshu, having withdrawn from the Vishaya, atmanam aikshati. You decide whether you want to be one of the masses flowing along with the current of Vishayabhimukhasva, or you want to be dhira to get the highest accomplishment. So it is a, you go to a shopping center, there are departments now. They are clever. Because so somebody told, in Chennai, Nalli, they have a section for menswear also. Because along with my husband also goes, oh, bekar ho jata hai udhar. So he goes there. and latest pants and the shirt, etc. Earlier it was not that. This was marketing strategy. Mall you go, for children separate section is there. They know. And then they, hang on to parents. I want this, I want this, I want this. Even this toy vendor, they will get out of the children, because they know customer is there. They will know how to handle the parents. Let me get rid of this musibat. You will get the toy. I told them this, I used to say, nowadays it was more only. Bombay Pune train. Once the train starts, all vendors come there. The toy vendors. बच्चे खेले, बच्चे का बाप खेले, बच्चे का बाप खेले. बच्चे का बाप खेले. And children are there and they fall for it. So like this, Veda has got a super shopping center there. Who said non-thinking? The non-thinking itself is what? Because of absence of thinking. You are addressing a wrong audience. You are addressing a wrong audience. So that is it. This is meant for not for them. So other Viveka Vairagi. So that is that. And therefore he says, Ahankara is the cause, Vishayanuchintana is the effect. So Bija is what? Seed is what? I notion, identity with the body. Effect is what? Vishayanuchintana. See, there are two ways of controlling the seed. One would destroy the seed, other control the effect. Destroy the seed, but even little something is there. If the effect is there, it can get revived again. So therefore it says, Shatroho ahamaha. Ahamovakashaha is there. Ahamaha. Shatroho ahamaha. Nigrihya. Having control means having destroyed. Having destroyed this enemy of Shatru, says afterwards, you should not give any room for that Ahankara Shatru to revive. By what does he get revived? Vishayanuchintaya. By thinking of sense object, Vishayachintaya. Vachit avakashaha na deya. Don't give any room, any scope for Ahankara to get revived again. Why? Because Vishayanuchintana is the means of revival of Ahankara. Saha eva. Come on, tell me what is Saha? You can't say Vishayanuchinta because Saha it will become. Vishayanuchinta, it's a grammar, okay. You know, it is Vishayanuchinta only, but directly Vishayanuchinta you can't revise. Saha is masculine, Vishayanuchinta is feminine. Avakasha is there. Avakasha Vishayanuchintayaha avakasha. Room, scope for thinking about the sense object. That is what Saha eva asya. Asya means ahamaha, ahankarasya, sanjivana hetuhu is the means of revival. So what you do? Don't allow to get revived. What you do? Vishaya vimukhatva, that is what? Santekta ragaha vastu. Vishaya vimukhatva has to be taken to. For which now an illustration is given how Vishayanuchinta revives the Ahankara. Yes. Prakshina jambira taroho ambu iva. Taru means tree. What is the jambira taru? Jambira taru is lime tree. You should know lime tree and lemon. Lime is more acidic than lemon. This is not lemon tree. The lemon we know. What is that? Yellow and all this is. Lime, little more greenish and more this is. Pickles etc. are made. That lime tree, so he says, that is it. Or Jambira also can mean citron. You know citron? Sakhar limbu they say. Big one. Big fellow. Not very sweet, but not sour. Some sweetness is there. Big one is there. Like Sakhar limbu. That lime tree or citron tree is called as what? This Jambira taru. But what type of Jambira taru? Prakshina, which has dried up, all leaves have fallen. For an onlooker, it will appear as if it is dead. You water it, it sprouts and again running by. So water is reviving factor to the dried up lime tree. Like that, Vishayanuchinta is the reviving factor for Ahankara who is already destroyed. So be cautious of Vishayanuchinta, be on the guard once the Ahankara is destroyed by the knowledge. Why so? Say, Jnana and Ajnana cannot coexist. Jnana and Vishayanuchinta cannot coexist. This is explained now.
Dehatmana samsita eva kami vilakshana kamayita katam syat atothasanghana parasvameva veda prasasya bhavabandharetuhu. Anvaya dehatmana samsthitaha eva kami vilakshanaha katham kamayita syat ataha arthasanthana parasvam eva veda prasasya bhavabandha hetuhu. Again, dehatmana samsthitaha eva kami vilakshanaha katham kamayita syat ataha arthasanthana parasvam eva veda prasasya bhavabandha hetuhu.
See, with the kami, one who is desirous of sense object. What is necessary for that? Who can be the one with a desire of sense object? There is not there. One who is identified with the body. It says, Dehatmana samsthitaha, one who remains by taking the Deha as Atma. One who has mistaken the embodiment as Atma. Such a person alone can be kami. Can be a person who has got desire for Vishya. Is it not? I want this. What is presupposed?
Yes.
I. Which is that I? Body as I. Without Dehatadasya, desire is not possible. Now, who is the Jnani? One who doesn't have identity in the body. Is it not? So that's why. One who doesn't have the identity in the body, how do you say when there is no identification in the body, no desire? Can you prove? Waking have a desire. No, Swami, I am Parama Vairagi. Very good. I will congratulate myself. Vivek Sudhamani has worked so far, so that is that as well. That is fine. But, see, identification of the body, I want it, waking state, not that every time, every moment by moment you have to say, no, you are prone to desire or not. Otherwise, go to a shopping center, then you find. So it happens. When Vishayas are not there, everything that I am a Parama Vairagi. Well, see that Vairagya must be in the presence of Vishayas. It happens. People, sadhus, etc., they go to Gangotri, Badri, Kedarnath, and they remain there. And they get very quietude of the mind. And they think that they have mastered the mind and they have got very Shanta Mana. Do you know why? Rarity of oxygen. Altitude. Because of altitude, rarity of oxygen, thinking is less, it is conducive for not thinking. Same fellow comes down and reaches the Rishikesh, from Porter onward he will start following everyone. And he thought that he is very Shanta. Same thing. This Vipassana meditation. You know what is the duration? 10 days, not even 1 week. 10 days, 1 week. And they say, मन तो शांत हो गया. I heard something. I am attending Vedanta classes for years together. My mind was never so peaceful. 10 days I attended and it is very peaceful. After 1 week return, ask that fellow, you know what happened? They regulate your food intake. They regulate your food intake. And therefore, 7 दिन नहीं चलेगा. 7 days regulation of food is not sufficient. Minimum what should be that? 10 days. And you think, oh, mind has become very quiet. And you say, once returning home, compensation for 10 days. And then what? Mind gets revived. So that is not there. So that is how it is. So, these are temporary feelings. So that means again here you say, one who has no identification, now see, waking state, desires are possible. Dream state, desires are possible. Deep sleep state, desires are possible? Universally, no. Why? No ahankara. So therefore, that is still ajnana is there. For a jnani, because ajnana is not there, even if he is awake, no identity in the body, no desire. Understood now? Dehatmana samstita kan. One who is identified with the body is a person who is prone to desire. But vilakshana, who is that vilakshana? The one who is distinct from Dehatmavadi. The one who is identified with the body, who is that? Atmajnani, who is free from Dehatma notion. Katham kamayitasya. How can he be the one with a desire, etc.? Means it is not possible. So therefore, so that means what? Ahankara means Vishaya Chinta. Vishaya Chinta means Ahankara becomes more and more well rooted. So therefore it says, Ataha means identifying the body means desire. No identity in the body means no desire. Therefore, what is that? What should be done? Artha संधान परत्वम is. Artha means Vishaya. Sandhana means Chintan. Paratva means getting engrossed. These Artha Sandhana Paratva means Vishayanu Chintanam eva. Repeatedly thinking of the Vishaya. What does it do? It serves as the means of bondage. How? Through Veda Prasaktya, producing the distinction. Veda. What Veda? Look, you desire an object. You the desirer, is it the same as the desired object? And who is that you desirer? Ahankara. Identify the body. Vishaya, different from the body. What happens? Ahankara is confirmed. What happens? Samsara is confirmed. So that I say, Veda Prasakya, because of sense of difference between the desirer and the desirer. What happens? Artha Sandhana Paratvam, Vishyanachantan Chintana is the revival of Ahankara, and therefore Bhava Bandha Hetuhu is the cause of bondage of samsara. So, by knowledge, once the Ajnana and Ahankara destroyed, until the Prarabdha gets over, don't give occasion for that Ahankara to revive. While earlier samskara in terms of vasanas are there to revive again. If you do it, you will be hooked off Jivan Mukti.
Swasti prajabhya paripalayamtam nyayena margena mahim mahisha gopramahebhya shubhamastu nityam loka